or not? Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, first of all, I would like to inform you all, please ignore the noise coming from the outside. So let me check first if we are live or not. So actually, it is not showing anything. Mm, yeah, it is now showing. Okay. Mm, so we can revise now. So we are going to revise what? Actually, I was reading about Trans Himalayas. So we are going to revise about Trans Himalayas. Here, what I had made this. So from this, we are going to revise. Okay. So first of all, we should know where Trans Himalayas is situated. So Trans Himalayas is situated in the north of Greater Himalayas. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So first thing we should know about Trans Himalayas is that it is located in the north of Greater Himalayas. Okay. So first point is clear and directly inject in the mind. Okay, so the next is originated along with the Greater Himalayas during alpine movement. Okay, so second point is talking about its origin. Okay, from where it is originated. So uh, what we are talking about Trans Himalayas, so we are talking about Trans Himalayas originated from where? So it is originated from not, yeah, we can say originated from the movement of what alpine movement. Okay, along with the Great Himalayas. Okay, so I'm just revising, I'm not teaching. Okay, it is only from my point of view that I can revise and remember. Okay, if you are feeling confused, so you can leave. Otherwise, if you are comfortable, then you can listen me. So there is no any issue. Okay, so 2 points we had discussed about Trans Himalayas. First, we had talked about its location. Second, we had talked about its origin. So first, we had talked about what its location. So if anyone will ask that where is Trans Himalayas located, so the answer would be what? The answer would be the Trans Himalayas is located in the north of Greater Himalayas. And someone will ask the question that tell me about its origin, from how the Trans Himalayas has originated. Then we can say that Trans Himalayas is originated along with Greater Himalayas with the alpine movement. Okay, and okay, so we are done with the first 2 points. So yeah, we got 2 points because we are done with 2 points. What? Trans Himalayas, location, and what? Origin. So if we talk about location, the location of Trans Himalayas is located in the north of Greater Himalayas. If we talk about the origin, then we can say the Trans Himalaya is originated along with Greater Himalayas from the movement, alpine movement. Okay, okay. So Trans Himalayas have many ranges. Many ranges what? Four ranges it have. What are those? So if we talk about its four ranges, then it is like Karakoram range, Ladakh range, Jaskar range, Kailas range. So we will talk about one by one about all these four ranges. What are they? They are Karakoram range, Ladakh range, Jaskar range, and Kailas range. Okay, so let's have a look in Karakoram range. Okay, let's revise. Okay, we are doing just revision, just a you can say we are just doing a revision, casual revision, not a like formal type or not like preparing. It is just chill pill revision. Okay, so if we talk about Karakoram range, then it is, we can say, the largest range of Trans Himalayas, and Karakoram uh, peak, highest peak of Karakoram is K2. Okay, and K2 means uh, what? K2 is the highest peak, and K2 is also known as Godwin and Austin, because there were two friends who had named them like that. Okay, and Siachen Glacier is situated in the Karakoram range. This is very important. Anyone can ask that where is Siachen Glacier located, situated? Then what we will answer? We will answer that Siachen Glacier is situated in Karakoram range. Okay, and the topmost peak of Karakoram range is, then the answer would be what? K2. Okay, and yeah, and one thing more about Karakoram, that Karakoram is also known as backbone of High Asia. Okay, and we had talked about that it is largest range, and also we had talked about it is situated in the, we had not talked about, we are just talking now, that it is situated in the Pak occupied Ladakh. Okay, and I think you will wonder, huh? What is Pak occupied Ladakh? It is POK na, that Pak occupied Kashmir. No, but our sir has told that Kashmir is under control now. So we will, under our control means under the control of India. So we will not say Pak occupied Kashmir. We will say only Pak occupied Ladakh. Okay. So if anyone will question that where is what? Karakoram. Yeah. Where is Karakoram range located? Then what would be the answer? The answer would be Karakoram range is located, or you can say that situated, in the Pak occupied Ladakh. Okay, so we had discussed how many points? One, two, three, four, five. We had discussed 5 points about Karakoram range. So what were those we had discussed? Then okay, let uh, let us remember one by one. We had discussed that Karakoram range is the largest range of Trans-Himalayas. First point, okay, and K2 is the highest peak. of Karakoram. Okay, and third point is what? Third point, yeah, situated. Uh, Siachen Glacier is situated in the Karakoram range. Okay, and fourth one, that is, it is backbone of High Asia. Okay, and fifth one is fifth one is that it is situated in the park occupied Ladakh. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's talk about Ladakh range. Okay, so if we talk about Ladakh range, then it has 3 points. So anyone can ask that where is Ladakh range situated? Then we have to answer like this. Ladakh range is situated in the south of Karakoram and to the north of Great Himalayas. So let's repeat it, that where is Ladakh range situated? So we will answer that it is situated to the north of Greater Himalayas and to the south of Karakoram. So we can say it firstly, it is situated in the south of Karakoram and north of Greater Himalayas. Which range? Ladakh range. Okay, Ladakh range is situated in the north of Greater Himalayas and in the south of Karakoram. Okay, and if anyone will question that highest peak of Ladakh ranges, then what would be the answer? The answer would be Stok Kangri. Stok Kangri is the highest peak of Ladakh range. Okay, and also there is one point that to the north of Ladakh range is Ladakh Plateau, through which the river Indus flows. Okay, so we should also remember this point because there is a mention of river Indus. So what it is saying that north of Ladakh range there is a Ladakh Plateau, and from the Ladakh Plateau the river Indus flows. And you know what? River Indus is also known as Sindhu. Okay, so let's move ahead to Jaskar range. Okay, so the first point, there are 3 points in the Jaskar range. There are 3 points in the Jaskar range. The first point is, anyone can ask you that what is the highest peak of Jaskar range? Then what would be the answer? The answer would be the highest the highest what the highest peak of Jaskar range is the highest peak of Jaskar range is Kamet. Okay, and Jaskar range is to the south of Ladakh range. Okay, so anyone would ask the question, where is Jaskar range situated? Then we have to answer this question like Jaskar range is situated on the south of Ladakh range. Where it is situated? Jaskar range is situated in the south of Ladakh range. And the next line is, before passing the Ladakh plateau, river Indus flow between Ladakh range in the north and Jaskar in south. So how we will remember this? We can remember this. Yeah, it is saying that before passing the Ladakh plateau, river Indus flow between the Ladakh range in north and Jaskar in south. Ladakh in north and Jaskar in south. River Indus flows between them. Okay, okay. before passing the Ladakh range. River Indus flows between Ladakh range in south and Jaskar range. Oh no, there is a mistake. Ladakh range in north and Jaskar range in south. Let's talk about what? Let's talk about Kailas range. I know it is the famous one and everyone knows about Kailas range. If don't know, but you are know known with this term. Okay, Kailas range means you are known because of Lord Shiva. Means my purpose to saying this that you are known with this term, you are knowing this term because of it is interlinked with Lord Shiva. Okay, let's have the information about Kailas range. So the highest peak of Kailas range is itself Kailas, okay, and Kailas in Tibet is called. Anyone would ask the question that Kailas range in Tibet. What is the name of Kailas range in Tibet? Then what would be the answer? Then the answer would be it is called Gangdis range. In Tibet, Kailas range is called Gangdis range. Okay, and also Kailas range is the source of multiple rivers like Indus, Brahmaputra, Satluj, Karnali, and Karnali is also known as Ghagra. Okay, so we are done with the all ranges of Trans Himalayas, and also we are done with Trans Himalayas. So it means we are done with this video also. Bye bye.